Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the publish color themes feature on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the this account or avatar icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on Preferences. Here you have the Publish section at the top of the page. Publish your color themes to the color.adobe.com when saving your color theme. So if you want to enable this feature, tap on the button on the right side, thereby turning on this feature. If you want to disable, tap on the same button again. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.